Good morning, students. Today in Sanskrit, we are going to learn our next chapter, which is chapter number 5, Chataka Chataka. This is one very sweet little poem about sparrow. Chataka means sparrow. One little boy is singing this poem. So let us see what he wants to convey in this poem. Okay. In first picture you can see some sparrows are near the house, and this is one stanza. Let us start. Chataka chataka re chataka, sparrow sparrow o sparrow, chiva chiva kujasi tvam vihaga. Chiva chiva kujasi. Kujasi means speaks or sings. Tvam means you. Vihaga means bird. O bird, you sing or you speaks like chiva chiva. नीडे निवससि सुखेन डयसे खादसि फलानि मधुराणि. नीडे निवससि. Nide means in the nest. Nivasasi means lives. Sukhena happily, and dayase means fly. Khadasi eats. Falani fruits, and madhurani means sweet. So you live in a nest. Who? Sparrow. Sparrow or you lives in a nest, fly easily or fly happily, eat sweet fruits. विहसि विमले विपुले गगने नास्ति जनः खलु वारयिता. Now viharasi. Viharasi means you stroll or घूमना, जिसे हम संस्कृत हिंदी में कहते हैं घूमना, विहार करना. विमले. विमल मीन्स विमले विपुले गगन मीन्स in the clean large sky. Vimal means clean, Vipul means large, and Gagan means sky. So you roam or you stroll in a clean large sky. Nasti janah khalu varayita. Nasti, no asti, there is no or there is not. Jana means people. Khalu, really. Varita, varita means prevents. इसी पे से गुजराती में शब्द आया है वारवो, એટલે કે રોકવું. નાસ્તિ જન ખલુ વારયિતા. Really, no one is there to stop you. Stopping for what? For the vihar or for the stroll in the large clean sky. Nobody can stop you from roaming. Here you can see there are two lines, and here it is a one line. So what is the meaning of this? This one is a whole one shloka. This is half one and this is another half one. Here it completes. Two lines means shloka complete, and one line means shloka is half. Let us move forward. एकाकी खलु खिन्नो हम एहि समीपम चिव चिव मित्रम ददामि तुभ्यम बहुधान्यम. एकाकी means lonely. खलु really. खिन्नो हम, खिन्न अहम, I am really upset. Why? Because I am alone. My parents are not here. Really, I am sad because I am alone. Ehi samipam chiva chiva mitram. O friend. Chiva chiva mitram. O chin chin or O chi chi sparrow friend. Dadami tubhyam bahudhanyam. Come near, I will give you many grains. Tubhyam means you. Dadami will give. Bahudhanyam means many grains. So, O small bird who does a sound like chee chee, or O small sparrow, come near me because I am alone and I am feeling sad. Come here, I will give you many grains. चणकं स्वीकुरु पिबरे नीरं त्वं पुनरपि रट चिव चिव चिर्वं तोषय मा कुरु मधुरालापं पाठ्यं मामपि तव भाषाम्. चणकम grain thrown to birds for feeding. चण इसी पे से शब्द आया गुजराती में चण. चण मीन्स पक्षियों जे खाए ए धान्य. चणकम स्वीकुरु प्लीज एक्सेप्ट माय grains. पीबम रे नीरम एंड drink the water. Piba means to drink. Neera means water. Please accept my grains and drink water. Tvam punarapi rata chiva chiva chiva. And speak again and again chi chi chi. Toshaya ma kuru madhura lapam. Toshaya, satisfy. Mam means me. Kuru means do. Madhura lapam, madhur alapam, sweet voice. Make a sweet voice and satisfy me. Pathya mamapi tava bhasham. Mamapi, mam api. Me also. Pathya means learn or teach. Tava, your, and bhasham, language. So what will be the translation? Teach me your language too. So please accept the grain which I have given you for the feeding. Drink water. Do make chiva chiva, a chi chi voice, a sound again and again. Please make a sweet voice and satisfy me and teach your language to me also. Api means also. So this is the request which that small kid is doing to the sparrows. Why? Because he is all alone at the home and he is feeling sad. But because these small friends are there with him, he is trying to please himself and he is trying to talk with these small friends, with these sparrows. So this is very small and sweet poem in Sanskrit. I am sending you the poem singing video. With the help of that video you can sing along with the video, and afterwards you have to write this poem and its translation in your notebook.